Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about a particular crypto that I'm almost guaranteeing you've never heard of it. I haven't. And that's why I love sitting in the seat sometimes. I get to bring you different cryptos that are doing some very interesting things. So what you see on your screen is a particular crypto called Glitch, and it's currently ranked number 505. And here's the thing. There are, as you can see, there are almost 12,000 where my mouse is pointing. There are almost 12,000 cryptos out there, and there's no way on God's green earth that you can keep up with all of these. And so this one crossed my desk because of a particular news service that I pay attention to, did a piece that's talking about how this thing has gone up dramatically in the past 14 days. So I thought it was worth a video. I'm not being paid by anybody at Glitch to make this video, but I wanted to make this for you because, again, part of my job here I see is very simple, is to make you aware of new coins and tokens sometimes that have a significant amount of promise in them and that they are doing some pretty cool things, and that's what this one is. So it could be one that you might want to look at, and if it fits within your kind of investing strategy, then take a look at it. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. If you're going to invest in this one, run it through your own due diligence. Okay, so Glitch 983 up 9%. Couldn't even get that out. It's at 77 cents right now. Look at the 1 year high and low. Its 1 year high is 153 and low is 37 cents. Okay, it's on a significant run as of right now. And if you look at the last month, you can see that it started out in about the 24 cents range, which is interesting. Oh, low is 3 cents. Excuse me. There's the dogs. Yay. Oh, we had it. Somebody was running by. That's what's going on. I apologize. I thought this said 30 cents. It started off at 3 cents. There you go. Look, 33 cents. And look at it just continuing to do this insane run up. Okay. So you can see that that is Glitch. Now, what are they? Glitch rises by 119. I can't talk today. 196% after 14 days of a relentless bull run. Here are the best places to buy it and a little bit about what it does. Before we get to that, got to make you aware, got my Patreon group, links are in the description. If you want help, need help, want me to give you some guidance on your portfolio, help you in any way, shape, form, or fashion that I can, you get direct access to me at this $20 level, and you get access to my inner circle portfolio. I'm making some major moves right now, cashing out of some positions in crypto, pretty significant positions that I had, and moving them into some particular sectors that I think are going to 2x, 3x, even 5, 6x, get that much bigger. Okay, so if you're interested, check out links in the description below, and it'll take you to this page, and you can read all the benefits that you get. I also have a group wrapped around it, a Discord group. It's a community if you're tired of being alone in your crypto journey. Okay, so with that said, what I want to show you is, look at this. Glitch rises by 196% after 14 days. Crazy. So it's been on a relentless bull run since the end of August 2021, registering 196%. Okay. It's continuing to gather momentum, following a 45% rise in the last 24 hours. Okay. Let's see. Best places to buy it. I need to show you that. I apologize, going to do that. Best places to get it are, here you go, Uniswap, KuCoin, Pancake, 1inch, yeah, there you go. So there's your places to buy. Okay. All right. Back to our article here. Okay. What is it? Here it is. What it is. Glitch, GLCH, is the native token of the Glitch protocol. Okay. If your first time you've heard about it was mine. Okay. It is a fast, interoperable, blockchain agnostic protocol purpose-built for DeFi applications. That got my attention right there. That word, DeFi applications, that words. DeFi is hot. It's smoking hot right now. Look at, you got Solana, Avalanche, Algorand, Phantom, all those. This is an interesting play in relation to that. Okay, so that is one of the main reasons I brought you this video, is because I think anything having to do with DeFi and it's just a hot one, right? I mean, there's no better way to say it, right? Now, see, so Glitch offers low transaction costs and rewards to participant. Okay, use a decay delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism to ensure it remains democratic. Should you buy it? Hey, it's been on a pretty big bull run for the past 14 days. Could be could be a good one if you're looking for a trending one. Now, I tend to look at these as a buy and hold scenario. I want to kind of hold them for a long term. So with all that said, I think that this one's one that you might think about at least checking out. It's on a run. It's definitely off of its 1 year high, so it shows that it can get back to that. So run this through your own due diligence, but this could be one that you heard here first that could do something in the near future. I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.